How to make a round shape webcam recording using Screencast-O-Matic. Let's go! Right now there are two popular screen recording programs. One is called Loom and the other Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic is my choice at the moment. I use it to make all my videos. I've got a yearly subscription, and in future video I will do a review to show you its full capabilities. However, I do find Loom has one edge over Screencast-O-Matic, and that is its ability to create in real time a round face live view of the webcam. Or maybe there is a solution after all. So I've been experimenting with Screencast-O-Matic, and in this video I will show you my findings, and hopefully it'll be a workaround for you as well. So stay tuned. Just a quick commercial. If you have enjoyed these videos, then please consider supporting this channel. And you can do that right now by clicking the like button, subscribing to the channel, and hitting that notification button. Also, don't forget to check out the description below this video, as well as my official website. Thank you so much. Let's go on with the video. The following topics will be discussed in this very short video. I'll be very specific in what I mean about the round face feature that's found inside Loom, and then I'll show you how I can replicate that using the style function inside Screencast-O-Matic. Let's keep going. Okay, before we get any further, let me just clarify so we have a good understanding of what I mean by a real-time round face live view of the webcam that's available inside Loom. So what we're looking at here, it's something that's in real time, it's round, it's circle, and can be moved around the screen at willy-nilly. So let's see if that's achievable inside Screencast-O-Matic. The workaround to create this solution, it's really simple. You just need to remember just two steps. You need to apply the crop tool as well as the oval button tool, and I'll show you how it works. Once you got your video loaded inside the editor of Screencast-O-Matic, which I've got here, so I'll click on the edit button here just to load up the video ready for me to go. Now if I have included a webcam component into the video, it will show here. In this case I'm going to click on it, and as you can see it shows the difference between the main video component and the webcam. So it's the webcam that we like to manipulate. So as I said, let's click on it and we'll be able to bring up the tool that's associated with the webcam. First of all, we need to apply a crop. By default it's a rectangle view. We want to crop it, just make it in terms of like a square shape. So I'm going to chop a little bit here to the left and right. So that's the first bit done. And the second bit here, we need to hit the style button and choose the shape. In this case, by default it's also like a boxy type rectangle shape, but we're going to go for the oval shape. And again, we need a little bit of manipulation. Just play around the setting, make sure it's like a round circle, as round as you want it to be. And if you want to move the webcam view around, sure, no problems. We'll just leave it over here. I'll just show you this as a demonstration, maybe something like this. Okay, if you're happy with the results, click on the play button and have a preview, and there you go. We've got what we want, a round face webcam live view that's possible inside Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, that was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed this particular video and make good use of it. I'll see you in the next one. Hello again, and thank you so much for viewing this video. In the comment sections below, don't forget to put your questions, your opinions, and your requests. I do read them. I've got more videos here for you to enjoy, and please, if you like to support this channel, I would love it if you can click on the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.